Hello guys, welcome to Techno Tech YouTube channel. In this video, we will show you how to clean inside main unit in Canon C5030i photocopier. Cleaning the transfer belt inside a Canon printer is crucial because it plays a key role in the printing process. The transfer belt is responsible for transferring toner from the cartridge onto the paper. Over time, the belt can accumulate toner residue, paper dust, and other particles, leading to print quality issues such as streaks or smudges. Cleaning the transfer belt helps maintain its efficiency and ensures that prints are clear and crisp. Regular maintenance of this component contributes to the overall longevity and performance of the Canon printer. Thanks for watching. If you learn anything in this video, please give a like and subscribe for more videos. If you have any questions, just pin a comment.